Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we shall be making an auto gele base, and this is a sego gele fabric that I will be using. Today's measurement, we shall be using 18 inches as the normal measurement, but those fabric measurements is 22. I added extra inches for folding in the two sides. Mind you, the normal head measurement is within the range of 18, minimum 18, maximum 24. So I'll be working with 18 inches today. So now guys, we are going to make plates. Now we're going to the sewing machine and make plates at this front edge following this measurement here. We are going to make as much plates as possible before we bend the two edges. You noticed here I made two rope, one 10-inch and the longer one 12-inch. The shorter one is 10-inch and the longer one is 12-inch. I'm going to join the longer one first, the one of 12-inch. I'm going to join it to the base first, yeah, like so. I'll join it to these two sides like so, before I'll join the shorter one to the other side. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm through. I've joined the ropings to it. This is what we use to tie it at the back. This is it. This is the longer rope and the shorter rope. I added the longer rope first before adding the shorter rope beside it. This is it. All you need now is to style the auto gele, so any style of your choice. Everything beautiful. You can see the way I joined it. You can iron, you can press it down so that the plates will be straight, and you can add as much plates as possible. You can add up to 10 or 12 plates depending on your choice, depending on what you want. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for our next video. Thank you.